Hey folks, today I'll show you how to upgrade Ubuntu to the latest 24.10. I assume that you already upgraded to the latest LTS version, which is 24.04. I already have videos for the previous upgrades I did to the non-LTS version and as well as LTS version, but LTS one is really simple. That's what Ubuntu suggests you by default when the new version is released, so you do the just upgrade. But upgrading to the non-LTS version is a bit more technical, and this is what I want to show you today. So let's dive into it. First of all, you need to connect for sure using SSH to your Ubuntu, which I already did, and we need to update the list of packages using the command you probably already know, but I will show you. So doing the sudo apt get update, and the same but upgrade. Okay, so now upgrade is completed, and now we need to change some files, something. So I'll probably show you how to do it manually and then do the in automatic way. So to do so, we need to see at this file, which is located at etc update manager, and then release upgrades. So there are few options. One is LTS, which is by default, and another one is normal. Normal, that's what we need to set because this is how we upgrade to the non-LTS version. And the command to do so is again sudo, because it requires admin permissions, and then sed -i, which is for input, and then we put the braces or whatever you call it and do this magic. By the way, I have all the commands that I show you on during this session on my website in the article, so if you prefer to read and copy paste, go there, feel free, and also this video will be embedded in my website. So let's continue. And what we need to search for, LTS, and we need to replace to normal, and G means globally, so if there are separate occurrences, it will replace everywhere. I think so. So, and finally the file name, etc update manager release updates, enter. I think it doesn't like my braces or something. Let's try to replace them with this. Okay, let's do once again. Oh yeah, sorry, that was the reason. And if you look at the file once again, you will see that LTS is changed to normal. This is what we're looking for. Once this is done, we need to run apt-get update once again. So let's do this. As always, before running update and upgrade, I forgot one thing. I had to change code name from the old one to a new one. And once again, this code name is located in this file. So let me show you first. It's cat, and then where it is, etc apt, I said apt, and then sources list. So if you look here, okay, it says source has moved to apt sources list, the Ubuntu sources, but let's try the old command. We'll see if it's gonna work, if it will repoint to the new location. Otherwise, probably need to update my file or my article. So let's see if I do this and then paste here. Is it gonna work now? Like this. Let me copy, paste, enter. Okay, now it's here. So where is the last comment? Here it is, and as you can see, suits noble, so it means it's currently getting data from LTS release or branch, I would say. And now we need to update it to a non-LTS version, and we can do this again using set command. So again, sudo sed -i, then proper braces like this, and then we look for, sorry, like noble, and replacing with oracular globally in this file. So etc, actually let me copy paste because the file name is changed. I need to update my article, so it's no longer short name but this guy. Okay, change it. Let's double check. As you can see, it's no longer noble, it's oracular, so that should be fine. Once we've done this, let's do the update and upgrade once again. So update, yeah, now we see it's taking data from oracular source, I mean packages list, and again upgrade. Yeah, it's quite a long list, but let's wait. So we go to the point when upgrade manager is asking us, shall we change the file configuration we created or updated before? In our case, this is etc update manager release upgrades, that's what we changed. And by default is no, so don't change it, keep as is. So that's what I do, just hit enter and the upgrade continues. Okay, this upgrade is completed. Now we need to do some cleanup. To do so, we run sudo apt-get auto-remove. And it just 173 kilobytes found. I confirm and do the same with auto-clean. Sorry, just clean. Nothing to do, let's reboot. Okay, as you can see, system is rebooted. I'm connected over SSH to it, and finally I need to update kernel because updating Ubuntu is nice, but still I want to update kernel because currently, as you can see, we are on Ubuntu 24.10, but I want to have kernel 6.11 or maybe even 6.12. So let's see, because 6.12 is just released recently. It's release candidate 1, so I probably won't update it because I don't saw any links. So let's do the upgrade to 11 version. To do so, we have two options. One is to add app repository, which is, I wouldn't say recommended, but from what I heard, it's less secure. So I just do the simple way, just download deb files and and install them. So let's switch to the temp repository where I will be downloading files. So let's go to tmp, and for simplicity I'll just go to my own blog where I have everything related to investing and DevOps, AI, all this stuff, and my hobbies such as photo and movies. So let's go to the DevOps section and to how to upgrade Ubuntu article, and scroll down a little bit to the commands, and here is the commands. We have two options: to download stable version, or we can download kind of latest version. So okay, let's copy these files once we are in tmp folder. And hit enter, so it will download all the files. Sometimes if you copy paste and don't press enter once again, it won't download the latest files, so just make sure that you downloaded all files. Okay, all files are present. We are back to command prompt, and now we need to install. So we are in tmp folder where we downloaded files, and we have to run command sudo then dpkg, then install -i, and then what files we want to install. *deb, so it means all deb files, and for sure provide my password. Okay, now it's going to install. So it's still not yet latest 6.11.3. Maybe better was to do it using PPA, but Anyway, this is the latest stable version for now. When new files will be available to download, I will update the article. I'm usually doing so once in a while, like once a week or something like that. So now everything is updated, upgraded. What we can do, first let's do the reboot. I prefer to do the reboot after all kind of dist update or upgrade or kernel upgrade or something. So let's reboot. Okay, the system is rebooted, and as you can see, I am already on Ubuntu 24.10 and running the latest kernel, stable one 6.11. So that's basically it. As you can see, nothing crazy, nothing hard. But for sure, as I already mentioned, do the backups in advance before any upgrade, before anything. Anything can go wrong, and I saw this number of times when people just crash their system and then ask it like, oh, I have my files, I have my photos, I have my data, how to recover, and so on, so on. So first of all, I probably had to tell this in advance before the upgrade, but I hope you were reading my article where I said before the upgrade, back up your data. I hope that was helpful. If yes, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Ciao.